All right. Just eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. Step 1. Changing to improper fraction. 2 ones, 2 and 1, 3. 3 over 2 minus 2 over 5 over 5 4 is 20. 22 over 5 times 3 over 4. Working above the line. 3 over 2 minus 2 over 5. Find the LCM of 2 and 5. 2 over 5 crisscross. Can't go no smaller. 2 over 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 2 is 10. Bracket 2 implies 15 minus 4 over 10 implies 11 over 10. Working below the line. 22 over 5 times 3 over 4. 2 times, 11 times. This implies 11 times 3 over 5 times 2 equal 33 over 10. Therefore, equation EQUATION can be rewritten WRITTEN 11 over 10 over 33 over 10. This implies 11 over 10 divided by 33 over 10. This implies 11 over 10 times 10 over 33. This implies that 1, that 3, 1, 1. 1 times 1 over 1 times 3 implies 1 over 3. ANS equal 1/3. That there, CXC past paper. 2.5 square minus 2.89 over 17. What is 2.5 square? 6.25 minus 2.89 over 17. 2.89 divided by 17. Huh? 0. What? Minus this. Carry that to two significant figures. Miss Jack bought a 150 t-shirt. Miss Jack for 1,920 from a factory. Calculate the cost of one t-shirt. Since 150 t-shirt equal 1920, it implies that one t-shirt equal 1920 divided by 150. This implies that one T-shirt equal to what? How much? 12.8. ANS equal $12.80. All right. The T-shirts are sold for $19.99. Calculate the amount of money Miss Jack received after selling all T-shirts. Since selling price equal $19.99 per shirt, it implies that 150 T-shirt equal 19.99 times 150 equal 2,998.5. ANS equal 2,998.5. That's one more mark. We're going to 8 marks. Profit made. Total profit equal total revenue minus total cost, where total revenue equal 299.8.5, because this is our total revenue, the amount you sell times the sales price, and total cost equal, how much was total cost again? 1920. How much she spend? They tell her she buy it for 1920. This implies that total profit equal to 2998.5 minus 1920 equal to 1,000. 1,000. ANS $1,078.50. The profit made as a percentage of the cost price. Giving your answer to the nearest whole number. How much marks that you gone? 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 you gone already. Profit as percent of cost. This is how you are right on the paper. You know? Implies profit over cost times 100, where P equal 1078.5 and C equal 1920. This implies 1078.5 over 1920 times 100. This implies, what's this? Tell me not 0. What? %56. That's 2 more marks. So, we're going 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going 11 marks already. Find the value of A plus B plus C. Since A equal -1, B equal 2, C equal minus 3. This is what you are writing on your paper. It implies that A plus B plus C equals to minus 1 plus 2 plus minus 3. Equal minus 1 plus 2 minus 3. Equal to minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 or minus 3. When you see minus and a plus, it then comes to 2 plus minus 1. 2 plus minus 1 is 2 minus 1. Look at this here. Minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus minus 1. The way in which you add numbers, same to be sure the x and 10. That means it's equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Simple logic. So nobody now boss it being just group. Relax. So that is equal to minus 1, positive 1, right? Positive 1 minus 3. Now if you put positive, so you just say 1 minus 3. Anytime you have this, what you do? Put the negative sign bracket and you turn it around. When you have a number, the smaller number minus the bigger number, put the negative, turn it around, 3 minus 1. All time other when you have 2 negative. Equal to minus 2. ANS equal minus 2. Come again, since B now, since A equal minus 1, B equal 2, C equal minus 3, it implies that B square minus C square is equal to 2 square minus 3 square equal 4 minus 9. Any number square becomes positive. But you have to still maintain this minus here. So this is now positive 9. So it becomes 4 minus positive 9, which is 4 minus 9. Everybody see that? Equal to negative bracket 9 minus 4. Equal to minus 5. Everybody understand that? Write the phrase as an algebraic expression, which simply means that you have to take the English and put it in a maths. 7 times the sum of x and y. 7 times, so I can say 7 times the sum of x and y equals 7 bracket x plus y. Yes, but that's my answer now. ANS. All of them have to have ANS. Everybody see that? The product of 2 consecutive numbers when the smaller number is y. The product of 2 consecutive numbers when the smaller number is y. So therefore you're going to say y times y plus 1. The product of 2 consecutive numbers when the smaller number is y. So we say the smaller number is y times consecutive number means the number immediately after. The number immediately after any number is simply the number plus 1. You see that? So therefore then, 2, what is the consecutive number to 2? 3. That's why I don't have to tell you which one is the bigger number. Because you equally could say if y was the bigger number, then that would be y times y minus 1. Because it'll multiply by the 1 right before it. You understand? If y is a smaller number, it'll multiply by the 1 right after it. Right after it is simply plus 1. Right before it is minus 1. So therefore, the consecutive, the product y times, which is multiply, of two consecutive numbers where y is a smaller, means that you're going to multiply y times itself plus 1, which is y plus 1. So that equal to y bracket y plus 1, or it could be equal to y square plus y. But I can leave it here as y bracket y plus 1. Everybody see that? Logics, if you reason it out, you must get it right. Solve the simultaneous equation. 2x plus y equals 7. X minus 2y equal 1. Simultaneous equation. Equation 1. Equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 1. Multiply equation 2 by 2. Why? You multiply equation 1 by the first number. In equation 2, you multiply equation 2 by the first number in equation 1. So it's just coincidence that these are 1 and 2. But any number that is here, that's what they're going to use. Everybody see that? 1 times 2x plus y equals 7. 2 times that minus 4y equal 2. Equation 3, equation 4. If the signs are the same and you want to cancel, what you have to do? What you have to do? If the signs are the same and you want to cancel it, what you have to do? You have to minus. If the signs are different and you want to cancel it, what you have to do? You have to add. So now we look at this, we want to cancel out 2x. And we have positive and positive, which means the signs are the same, so we have a minus. So we say subtracting EQ, which one you want to subtract? I'm going to subtract EQ 3 from EQ 4. So EQ 3 from 4. So 2x minus 2x cancel. Minus 4y minus y. You realize I carry the entire sign. So minus 4y minus positive y. So that just give minus y. And then now equal to 2 minus 7. Minus 4y minus y. That be what? Two minus 7, yes. Minus 5y. All you have to do is minus 4y minus 4y minus y is equal to minus 4y minus 1y. All you have to do is dash with the y then now and say minus 4 minus 1, which is equal to? When you have negative and negative, what you do? You put the minus sign bracket 4 plus 1 equal to minus 5. Yeah, everybody not teaching that a while ago? Logics. Equal to 2 minus 7. When you have minus a bigger number from a smaller number, what you do? You put the minus, bracket, turn it around and push it back in. So minus 5y equal to minus 5. Equal to minus 5 over minus 5, y equal to 1. How do I know that this is a positive 1? Because the signs are the same. When dividing and multiplying, automatically become positive. Substituting y equal 1 in, which one do I want to put it in? I put in EQ2. It implies that x minus 2 bracket 1 equal 1. Implies that x minus 2 equal 1. X equal 1 plus 2, x equal 3. ANS, y equal 1 and x equal 3. Y square minus z square. 4y square minus z square. This implies 2y all squared minus z squared. How am I get 2y all squared? Because 4 is 2 squared. So I have 2 square y square minus z square. 2 square y square is 2y all squared. 4y square is equal to 2 square y square minus z square. Because this implies 2 square y square minus z square. See that? Because 4 is 2 square. Not true? So that means that anytime you have 2 square y square, it implies 2y all squared. How do we know? Because 2y all squared means that you have to square the 2 and square the y. You see that? Minus z squared. Now what is that? In factorization, that looks like a difference between two squares. Difference meaning what? Subtract. So you're subtracting one square from another full square. You see that? So therefore, when you have a difference between two squares, all they say is 2y minus z. This implies and 2y plus z. Finish. Because that is the difference between two squares. 2ax minus 2ay minus bx plus by. We have four terms. Therefore, what do we do? What kind of bracket? E that bracket. Then now you're going to say, what number is common? What number is common? What letter is common? Anything else is common? So we'll come now. For your rough work paper, you're going to say 2 times a times x, because that's what 2ax is, over 2 times a. Cancel, cancel, 1, 1, cancel, cancel. So that's 1 times x over 1 times 1, which is equal to x over 1. So that is going to be equal to x. Everybody see that? And I... When you have a 2a outside of a sexy bracket, you're going to divide everything up here in this ugly bracket by 2a. So therefore, 2ax is equal to 2 times a times x. That's what 2ax is equal to. You're going to divide it by 2a. That's 2 times a. See that? So then now it's a 2 into 2 one time, and A into A one time. So you get 1 times x over 1 times 1, which is equal to x over 1, which is equal to x. Come now. You're going to divide minus 2ay, so that is minus 2 times a times y over 2 times a. This into this 1, this into this negative 1. What? You're blind? Oh. Oh, I'm thinking you're saying no. Oh. 1. 1. So that's going to be negative 1 times 1, which is negative 1 times y over 1 times 1 equal to minus y. Everybody see that? Oi. You see? Purple man, what me just say? What number is common here? No number. So what letter is common? B is common. Now we want it to be equal to x minus y. If it's going to be equal to x minus y, then I have to do something to this sign. How do I change the sign? If I want to change the sign, I have to use negative. So minus b, bracket. So that is minus b times x over minus b. B into b 1 time, 1 time. Negative into negative give you positive, so it give you 1 times x, which give you to x over 1, which give you x. Then now, you come say negative b into positive b times y over minus b. So that into that is going to give you a negative 1. Want to see that? Times y, which gives you to negative 1 times y over 1, which gives you to minus y. So this and this is the same, and so therefore it implies that it is 2a minus b bracket x minus y. A and S equal 2a minus b x minus y. Or x minus y, 2a minus b, they're the same. 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. A, B, C. That's factorizing a quadratic equation. So you come so now and say, all right, rough work, where A equal 3, B equal positive 10, C equal minus 8. AC equal 3 times minus 8 equal minus 24. And B equal 10. I want two numbers that when time I multiply them give me 24. And when time I add them give me positive 10. Now the first thing, once this is a negative, that means that when you multiply them, one number have to be negative and one have to be positive. So just looking at this, we know say it's going to be 12 times 2. Where it's going to be minus 2 because I want a positive 10. 12 times minus 2. Minus 24, which is AC. Everybody see that? No. 12 plus minus 2. Give you 12 minus 2. Give you 10, which is B. Everybody see that? So you use that 12 and minus 2 and expand. So we're going to say, therefore, this implies 3x squared plus 12x minus 2x minus 8. Then you group them now. And you work it from there. What number is common? What number common to 3 and 12? What letter common? So we're going to divide 3x squared by 3x. 3x squared is 3 times x over 3 times x. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 times x give x over 1. Positive 12 times x over 3 times x. X into that 1, x into that 1, 3 into 3, 1, 4. 4 times 1, positive 4. Everybody see that? What number is common in this? 2 and 8, what number is common? Now, what sign do I want to be in this box? What sign do I want in this box? Positive, come on, this will be the same. What sign is here? That means if I want to change the sign, what sign do I have to use? Negative. Positive maintains the sign. Negative change the sign. So therefore, you're going to use a negative. If you want to change this sign, if this a minus and this a plus, you have to use negative. If this a minus and this a minus, you have to use positive. Because positive maintains the sign. Everybody understand? So that will give me now x plus 4. How am I get x plus 4? Because minus 2 times x over minus 2, that will give me positive 1 times x, give me x. Minus 8 over minus 2, I'll give me positive 4 because the signs are the same. Everybody see that? Yes, sir. So this and this are the same. So it implies 3x minus 2 bracket x plus 4 ans 3x minus 2 x plus 4. A survey conducted among 40 tourists. The results were 28 visited Antigua, 30 visited Barbados. 3x visited both Antigua and Barbados. X visited neither Antigua nor Barbados. Copy and complete the Venn diagram below to represent the information. Venn diagram. "20 visit Antigua, 30 visit Barbados, 3x visited Antigua and Barbados." X visited neither Antigua nor Barbados. Oh, you now watch, yo, Pinky, what is the problem? "28 visit Antigua, Barbados." 28 visit Antigua, so that means say Antigua only 28 minus 3x. "30 visit Barbados, that means a Barbados only 30 minus 3x. Write an expression in x to represent the total number of tourists in the survey. The total number is what? Is the universal set. So that means that n in that is equal to, what am I telling you say the solution for the universal? Is equal to the number in A union B plus number in A union B complement. This implies that 40 is equal to number in A union B. 28 minus 3x plus 3x plus 30 minus 3x. And then now A union B is x. Plus, what do you mean minus? Which formula may I do now? May I do A union B? Hold on. You're correct. You're correct. Where number in A union B equal to number in A plus number in B minus number in A intersect B. This implies number in A union B is equal to, how much is in A? No, 28. 28. No, but remember now we write down what is on A. A is 28. See, all of this is A now. So it's 28 minus 3x plus 3x, which gives back 28. You see that? Plus number in B, 30 minus 3x. Number in A union B equal to 58 minus 3x. This implies where number in A union B complement equal x. This implies 40 equal to 58 minus 3x plus x. Everybody see that? Because A union B complement is x. And A union B is 58 minus 3x. You see that? You see that? Pickney? This implies 40 equal 58 minus 2x. Minus 3x plus x. Thank you very much. They want it in x. That means 58 minus 2x equal 40 minus 2x equal to, no, 58 minus 2x equal 40 minus 2x equal to 40 minus 58. How do we get that? Because the 58 is a positive 58. Enough people that carry it over to them see the minus sign as I'm going to add it. But the 58 is a positive 58. In fact, this is also minus 2x plus 58 equal 40. Everybody see that? Because it's a positive 58. Huh? You know, since I said thing this over here, so. No, I said size it upon. If you change it over, I said side. So that means a minus 2x equal to 40 minus 58. Minus 2x equal minus 18. X equal minus 18. Over 2. And then now, the value of x, x equal 9. Positive 9. You don't see the signs are the same. Minus 2. Say no, say no must come over. Youth. All right, ready? Find the length of EF. We want to find the length of EF. Them say, hold on, them say CBA, where's CBA? CBA is 90 and BAE is 90. All right. Them say find EF. Now look on this now. It's not drawn to scale. But since AB equal to 6 centimeter, which is this, it implies that EF equal to a half times 6 centimeter. Because EF, look at AB here. EF comes straight down the middle, which is supposed to cut AB in half if you continue right down. Now EC and AB is the same. Everybody this implies that EF 3 centimeter. Find DF. They want to find DF. Now EF equal 3 centimeter. They want to find DF. Show a wooden tie. The midpoint. F is the midpoint of EC. To find DF. How am I going to find DF? Oh, how you going to find DF? It's at 90 degrees. Yes. Since D, watch out now. Since triangle EDF is a right angle, triangle, yes, it implies that hypotenuse squared equal to opposite squared plus ADJ squared. Yo. Everybody see that? Want to know that? Hypotenuse squared equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared, otherwise called Pythagoras theorem. So it now nothing to do with sine or nothing. So I'm preparing for the test. This implies, which one is the hypotenuse? That 5 square equal to x square plus 3 square. How we know the opposite and the adjacent? I don't know. I don't know, but the way in which you add numbers don't affect the result. So therefore, any one of them can be the adjacent and the opposite. Because the way in which you add it don't affect the result. Everybody see that? Good. This implies you can't know the opposite unless you have another angle other than the 90-degree angle. So this implies 25 equal to x squared plus 9. X squared plus 9 equal 25. X squared equal to 25 minus 9. X squared equal 25 minus 9. 16. X equals square root 16. X equals 4. So that means that this implies NS DF equal 4 centimeter. Find the area of the face. Find the area of the face. Find the area of the face of AB, CDE. So I want the face. All you have to do is find the area of this and find the area of this and add them together. You know see that? Then want the area of the face, which is just this. Not the entire thing. The face. Now the face have two things, a triangle and a square. If you find the area of the square and add it to the area of the triangle, you'd have found everything. You see that? So we're going to find the area of this triangle where this is equal to 4. Area of triangle EDF equal to half 3 times 4. Area of triangle EDF equal half base 3 centimeter times height 4 centimeter equal to half 12 equal to 6 centimeters squared. Everybody see that? Now this run down the center, so that means that this and this are mirror images of themselves. So that means this implies that area of triangle EDC equals 2 times area of triangle EDF. All right. I could have said this is 6 and say half 6 times 4. Yes. This implies 2 times 6 equal 12. Now the area of this now is a square. Length times width. Area of square ECAB or ECBA equal length times width. Huh? Why? Oh, it wrong. Centimeter square. Equal 12 square is incorrect. It's 12 centimeter square. Therefore, face ABCDE equals to 12 plus 36. 12 plus 36 are 48. ANS 48 centimeters square. You know how much marks that in the gun already? Given that, ready? Given when y varies directly as the square of x, the equation is written. How do you write given that y varies directly as x squared? How do you write that? If y vary directly as x squared, it is written y equal to k x squared. If y varies inversely as x squared, then it's equal to y equal x squared over k. If it varies inversely. If it varies inversely, it's equal to 1 over k x squared, which is equal to 1 times x squared over k. See that? So it varies directly. Y varies directly as x squared. Given that y equal 50 when x equal 10, find the value of k. Since y equal k x squared, it implies that 50 equal to k bracket 10 squared. This implies that 50 equal to k 100. 100k equal to 50. K equal to 50 over 100. K equal to half. R 0.5. Calculate the value of y when x is 30. Calculate the value of y when x equal 30. Since y equal to kx squared, where k equal to a half, it implies if x equal 30, it implies that y equal to a half bracket 30 squared. Y equal to a half 30 squared is what? Huh? $450 sound big, but that's what it is. Everybody see that? Simple.